Bitcoin defies Middle East turmoil, climbs to $107.7 thousand as ETF inflows hold firm. Bitcoin, Cardano, ETF inflows and stable derivatives pricing suggest Bitcoin traders are not reacting to geopolitical tensions by defensively repositioning. Author, Hongji Feng. Author, Hongji Feng. About author. Hongji is a crypto and tech reporter. He graduated from Northwestern University's Medill School of Journalism with a bachelor's and a master's. He has previously interned at HTX, Huobi Global, author profile, share, copied, last updated, 5 hours ago. Why trust Cryptonews? Cryptonews has covered the cryptocurrency industry topics since 2017, aiming to provide informative insights to our readers. Our journalists and analysts have extensive experience in market analysis and blockchain technologies. We strive to maintain high editorial standards, focusing on factual accuracy and balanced reporting across all areas, from cryptocurrencies and blockchain projects to industry events, products, and technological developments. Our ongoing presence in the industry reflects our commitment to delivering relevant information in the evolving world of digital assets. Read more about Cryptonews. Key takeaways. Bitcoin rebounded from Friday's dip, rising from $102,800 to $107,700 despite Middle East tensions. QCP Capital reported muted volatility and strong ETF inflows, suggesting no broad risk-off shift. Cardano's Charles Hoskinson proposed using $100 million in treasury funds to purchase BTC and stablecoins. Bitcoin recovered after briefly dropping on Friday following Israel's attack on Iran, trading from a low of $102,800 back to $107,700 on Monday. A report by QCP Capital published on June 16 noted that the pullback was limited in scope, and the asset held above the $100,000 threshold. It compared the reaction to a sharper drop in April 2024, when a similar situation triggered a decline of over 8%. Bitcoin market remains composed. Institutional flows remained steady during the episode. Spot Bitcoin ETFs continued to log weekly inflows, and entities such as Metaplanet and Strategy were reported to have added to their holdings over the weekend. QCP said implied volatility in the Bitcoin options markets remained muted, with front-end levels staying under 40. The Chicago Board Options Exchange Volatility Index also remained near 20, indicating no broad shift into defensive positioning across risk assets. Traders cited stable activity in U.S. Treasuries and Asian government bonds as evidence that risk-off sentiment had not fully set in. While the risk of escalation remains, the report said current price behavior indicates the asset's evolving response to geopolitical shocks. It noted that the price remains less than 6% below its all-time high. Some market participants believe continued global uncertainty could sustain demand for Bitcoin in the medium term, particularly amid concern over sovereign debt exposure and currency risk. Cardano considers treasury shift toward BTC and stablecoins. Cardano founder Charles Hoskinson recently proposed converting $100 million worth of ADA from the protocol's treasury into a mix of stablecoins and Bitcoin. The plan outlines the use of Bitcoin to support emerging BTC DeFi applications developed on Cardano sidechains and partner networks. Hoskinson said the funds could be deployed gradually using over-the-counter, OTC, and time-weighted execution strategies to avoid disrupting ADA's market price. He stated that Cardano's liquidity is sufficient to absorb the reallocation without causing volatility. Hoskinson added that upcoming features like native token support and partner chains require treasury mechanisms that go beyond single-asset reserves. A formal proposal is expected ahead of the Rare Evo conference later this year. Bitcoin is being used in more treasury and liquidity strategies across both centralized and decentralized systems. Some DeFi protocols have started allocating to BTC to counter the effects of native token dilution or to back multi-asset reserves. Frequently asked questions, FAQs. How does low implied volatility in options markets affect Bitcoin's price behavior? Low implied volatility typically indicates reduced expectations of sudden price swings, suggesting that traders do not foresee sharp reactions to ongoing geopolitical risks. Why are some DeFi protocols introducing BTC into their treasuries? Incorporating BTC can provide a more stable reserve asset, diversify treasury holdings, and help offset inflationary pressure from excessive native token issuance. What role do governance upgrades play in treasury diversification efforts? New governance models, including elected boards and portfolio mandates, help protocols manage multi-asset reserves transparently and reduce concentration risk in single tokens. Follow us on Google News. Trending news. Recommended popular crypto topics price predictions. How Tether co-founder William Quigley views crypto regulations in Trump's second term. Trump appoints PayPal veteran David Sachs as White House AI and crypto czar. China's DeepSeek AI predicts the price of XRP, Solana and Pepe. Which crypto aggregator platforms to watch in 2025? XRP price prediction. Cardano founder confirms XRP support new partnership coming. Blockchain news. Fiat chain is a technology. It's a public blockchain without a cryptocurrency, says Silvio Macaulay. 11 hours ago. By Rachel Wolfson. Press releases. ChatGPT predicts the price of XRP, Shiba Inu and Bitcoin Cash by the end of 2025. Price analysis. Bitcoin price prediction. Trader says $229,000 is next. Here's the golden cross indicator to watch. 14 hours ago. By Arslan Butt. Best crypto to buy now in June 2025. Top crypto to invest in. May 6, 2025. By Alan Draper. Best new crypto coins to invest in 2025. Top new cryptocurrencies. May 6, 2025. By Inesis Tavares. 13 best crypto presales to invest in 2025. Presale crypto list. March 3, 2025. By Alan Draper. 12 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in June 2025. April 13, 2025. By Elijah Rankovich. 13 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. May 5, 2025. By Elijah Rankovich. What is the next crypto to explode in 2025? September 11, 2024. By Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2030. October 19, 2024. By Leon Waters. Ripple, XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. August 28, 2024. By Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. Will ETH bounce back? August 28, 2024. By Ben Beto.